Go.
Hello, my name is Evan. I'm 9 years old. I'm rising fourth grade, and my coding track is coding. I chose coding because I like coding more than like other stuff. I made 2 Scratch projects, and let me show. Okay, this is one of my Scratch projects, the animation. So what I think it's cool about it is the Pikachu in the beginning. Also, a part I like. Where did my screen go? So that was my first project. So how it works is in the beginning, this Pikachu will show up and it'll switch the next costume and turn, and then these 2 sprites will draw that plus sign thingy in the middle of the screen, and then at the end of the animation, this like button will show up, and that is my first project. This is my second one. It's a COVID game. So it's basically where you have to kill these germs with this sword. Yeah, and when the germ touches the end without you didn't touch them, you're game over because you die, you're infected. So how it works is this sword. When you click, the sword will like do the slicing action, and when you die, the sword will like you're dropping, like you drop the sword, and the sword lays down like that. And then this germ will fall, make a clone of itself and fall down from the sky. And once it gets clicked by this pointer, it will just disappear and like switch into that dead germ thing and then fall to the ground. This is the pointer that just follows your mouse. This is just the sprite that controls variables. And that is it. That is my two projects. And thank you for letting me compete in this competition. Bye.